Hello, Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, and Sat Sri Akal. My name is Uzair from SF Digital Studios in the UK. I run an agency and we provide digital marketing services to companies of all sizes. I'm really excited to have been invited to co present the Content Club India webinar series number two along with Digital Pratik. Rohan from SEM Rush is going to present and host this session. And this session is all about video marketing, how you can use video to promote your business, product, service, or brand. I'll be sharing my views, my experience of marketing my business using video. My main expertise is Google AdWords, so a lot of my work was and is still is about paid advertising. But earlier on this year, I started uploading videos to YouTube regularly to generate organic views and free traffic to my website. So I'm going to share all my experience and how I'm doing, what is working, what is not working, and if you've got a small YouTube channel right now, uh, you too can get started with very little budget, very inexpensive equipment, and a simple workflow, which will then get you the views and the traffic which you need for your business. So to join in, all you need to do is go to semrush.com and you'll see the tab at the top which is for webinars. Come to this page. There's a very simple sign up form at the bottom. Fill it in and it's all done. Even if you can't attend, please register and you'll get the notification of the recordings afterwards. So if you do have any questions, please do send it to us in advance so we can I'll try and answer them for you. Or if not, just ask any questions during the session. I hope you can make it. It is on 14th of August at 10:30 a.m. British Summer Time. But you can also go on there in the drop down, go to your time zone, and you'll be able to see what time it is in wherever you are. So I hope you can make it, and I very much look forward to meeting you on the 14th. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.